Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the R1 Concept rotors that I installed on the car about a year ago. I know it's been a long time, but I wanted to give you guys an honest review of using these on a daily and the performance and the pros and cons of having these rotors on the car. So as you know, if you've been following the channel, about a year ago I replaced my rear rotors with these, the R1 Concepts. So to be honest with you guys, these rotors are pretty good. Not gonna lie to you. The stopping power is there. You really feel the difference with these rotors. The only downside I could say to them, and to be honest with you guys, is the brake pads that come with them. So the brake pads aren't the best. They leave a lot of brake dust on the wheels. So if you do decide to go with these, as you can see right there, that's all brake dust. I would recommend going with the ceramic brake pads and not using the brake pads that come with the rotors, even though they do come with brake pads. It's just better in my opinion. You won't have as much brake dust like I do. You won't be cleaning your wheels all the time like I have to. So I would just go with the ceramic brake pads and not use the ones that come with them. But yeah, these are pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would recommend the rear rotors to be swapped out for these. And I'm telling you, you feel the difference instantly. They're not hard to put on. They're pretty simple. They bolt right up, so you don't have to do any modifications or anything like that. It's a pretty simple job. If you know how to change your brakes, you could do these rotors. Pretty simple. But other than that, this is just a quick video on my honest review of the R1 Concept rotors. As you can see, I still have them on. I haven't changed to the front yet. The front, I still have the factory rotors because they've been holding up. But I do plan on changing them pretty soon. I'm going to be doing a brake job soon because I want to get rid of these brake pads that I have on there and put the ceramic ones so I don't have as much brake dust. So yeah, that's coming soon. But like I said, it's just a quick video to update you guys, let you know what's been going on and how I feel about these rotors. So don't forget, a lot of you guys still aren't subscribed, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like button and bell notification so you know when I'm uploading videos. Until next time, guys, stay safe. I'm out. Well, I'm not going to leave y'all guys without a cold start.